Okay, the assumption is it's in nice order. If it's not allowed to rearrange it, let me take a look at it. And again, I'm just looking for a simple squaring pattern. And I can say 4a squared. We'll talk about signs later. 3b squared. And then 9c squared. All right, I would definitely get 16a4 if I square it. Whoops, forgot to put the square down. I would definitely get, not, regardless of sign, by the way, 9b4, 9b4 and 81c4. They seem to work out fine. Now let's start looking at the terms now, these terms over here. And I need that, minus 24. Well, I'm going to put this sign over here because the product of those two would be minus 12, a squared, b squared, times 2 would be minus 24. So that worked out pretty good. Let's do the next one. And what would that be? Well, I'd have to put a minus sign over here now. And why is that? 4 times 9 is 36. A squared, c squared, times 2 is minus 72. Let's see if we get the last one, which is going to be minus 3b squared times minus 9c squared. That's going to be 27b squared, c squared, times 2 would be 54. So this worked out beautifully. All right? So I'm going to get my red pen out. I'm going to look at this. And someone says, where's the answer on the next page? And I see that right here. I see the 4a squared minus 3b squared minus 9c squared, that whole thing, quantity squared. Right, talk about one other thing, and that's factoring out the minus 1. All right, let me put that down for you. If I did that, well, let me write this as 9c squared plus 3b squared. Again, I'm factoring out minus 1 and squaring it, minus 4a squared. Again, the reason I do that, a lot of times when you're looking at an answer key, you wonder where did they get that answer from? Sometimes they do some tricks. Now, by the way, I realize people are going to say, oh, yeah, it's still a little different than that. Not substantially so. I still see 9c squared, 3b squared, and the minus 4a squared. All right? They just put it in the order A, B, C. Thank you.